Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Click the Start button, then type Power Options and press Enter. The Power Options window appears and lists your active power plans. Select Change Plan Settings next to your active power plan to edit it. In the next screen, click Change Advanced Power Settings to open the full dialog. This dialog controls sleep, display, and processor power management settings. Keep this window open while you modify the options in the following steps to ensure you do not lose your changes. Find the sleep category and expand it to show its sub-options. Set Put the computer to sleep to Never for both battery and plugged in. Next, expand the display category and set Turn off the display to Never for both battery and plugged in. Click Apply to save these values and keep the Power Options dialog open to continue editing. These settings stop automatic sleep and screen off behaviors when you need continuous operation for downloads or long tasks. Expand processor power management and configure the minimum processor state to 5%. Set the maximum processor state to 100% for both battery and plugged in. Next, expand sleep and disable allow hybrid sleep by setting it to off for both battery and plugged in. Optionally set hibernate after to Never to prevent automatic hibernation during long tasks. Click Apply, then OK to save all changes and close the dialog, ensuring your PC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.